Hugh Kelly, aged 59 years of age. Robert Garway, 50. Martina Martin, 49. Martin McGill, 49. James O'Flaherty, 48. Catherine O'Donnell, 39. Jessica Gallagher, 24. Leona Harper, 14. James Monaghan, 13. And little Shauna Flanagan Garway, 5 years old. 10 women and men, boys and girls, representing everything good and kind and beautiful about Creeslough, about Donegal and our country, taken away in a tragic instant on a quiet Friday afternoon. Fathers and mothers, sons and daughters, brothers and sisters, each one an enormous, incalculable loss in the lives of those around them. This is a community bereft, a close-knit people in deep sadness and mourning, devastated by what has happened, but it is also a community of great strength and resilience, pulling together to support each other through this terrible time. Over the weekend, I met many people who shared their stories of the most extraordinary courage, commitment, heroism and love. Stories of local people putting themselves at risk and doing everything humanly possible to save the lives of their neighbours in the aftermath of the explosion. Of first responders and emergency services from north and south facing scenes that will stay with them for the rest of their lives, but never hesitating for a second to do everything they could.